Kasem or Howard Stern?
Did you cue this? I don't know if he queued it up for me.
Oh, to the Ed? I don't think he did.
I asked him to, but I said, Gary, go get Scott to queue up for me. So now Scott will come in. I had 15 minutes for him to queue up.
And he was here.
It should be right after his question.
Oh, yeah? Okay. What do you got on cart?
No, this is just John's continued stuttering.
Okay, thanks, man. Oh, he did queue up. I shouldn't have yelled.
Well, that's twice now you've accused people of doing things.
Jackie and me figured out what's... well, Jackie, really, I give the credit to, figured out what's annoying about Scott.
What
Do you want me
is
to point it out to you?
Yeah, because
Right,
you told me you had discovered this yesterday.
Yeah. How you doing, man?
Fine.
Did we tell him why he's annoying?
Should probably talk to him just a little bit first.
Yeah, but when you go, what happened on your gig in
Whippany
or whatever the hell it was? What happened?
Whipplesmith?
Tell Robin.
The guy called me and he canceled it at the last minute.
Yeah,
but
tell her what a bad businessman you are that you didn't get money up front. Tell her all that.
I didn't get money up front because it was a weekly thing.
Come on.
What are you trying to get me to do?
You know, don't you?
What?
I'll tell you what it is. He's on to us.
Yeah. Oh, he knows why he's annoying.
Yeah. He does it every time he says a sentence. He always goes like this.
He punctuates.
He punctuates it with like a...
Yeah, some nasal thing.
And that's supposed to be, like, you know how a guy laughs at himself? Like, you know, he goes like, hey man, you know, those guys are real bummers. And I go...
Right, yeah.
That's why you're annoying.
Okay.
If you could... Jack, I think it goes more than that. It's also...
Well, the problem is that it's reduced from... It probably at one time was a laugh, but it's been reduced to just a noise. So he says, the guy canceled me with 1 day to go.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So it doesn't give... It's not the sound of a laugh.
It's the sound of a guy sort of like Tourette's.
It's not even clearing your throat. It's just like...
It's like...
It's in the place of a laugh.
It's probably supposed to be a laugh.
No, he knows what he does.
Yeah.
Now he's self-conscious. I wanted to get him to do it, but I think he was wise to us. Because yesterday I was trying to get him to talk.
Oh, see.
And then when we stopped and he's just hanging around the office talking, every other sentence was... You ought to stop smoking, man. Maybe that's part of it.
I'm trying.
You know how sometimes when you're like saying something, you go kind of like...
Right, some noise comes out.
And every once in a while you do that. Like, you go, man, those guys, I can't believe they try to get me for free.
Yeah. Or...
So now he's like... It probably was a laugh. It used to be like, but now it's like... So, yeah, those guys, man, they really ripped me off, man.
Thanks. Now I'll be walking around all day.
Yeah, that's why you're annoying. Get out of here.
Okay.
Just so you know why you're annoying.
He's queued up to Ed, right?
I hope so. Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome.
He knows he does it, too.
Oh, yeah.
You know what it is? When he does it, you feel like you should be laughing along with him, but he's not doing anything funny.
Right. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly Scott.
Good morning.
Yeah, because I talked to him in the morning. He comes into my office and he kind of like droops himself into the office and he's like, hey, did you see the article about you from George Maxine? And it's like he's laughing, but he's not laughing because he didn't say anything funny. But he's in on his own private joke. And then the laugh, he's attempting a laugh there. Or like, that's his way of showing you something that he thinks is something is funny. Or not even funny, but like something that's laughable.
But he does it after every sentence.
Yeah, so it further points out that he's not funny.
Right.
He says something unfunny and then reminds you.
He punctuates every sentence. Thanks. He punctuates every sentence that isn't funny with something that's supposed to be funny. Like if you say something funny, you laugh.
Keep my day job, right?
I bet he's really startled if he actually makes somebody laugh.
Yeah. Because then he'd be like... I don't know what he does when somebody... He never made anybody laugh.
Never made anybody laugh.
You're laughing now.
He just did it.
No, that was a breath. That was it.
You're laughing now. Did you hear it? You're laughing now.
Yes.
See, if you can make him forget about it, he'll do it every sentence. If we pulled out some old tape of him on the show, you'd hear it. Gary, pull out some old tape of Scott.
He can't do it without me.
Oh, there he goes.
He can't do it without me.
He'll be back there editing it all out.
That's right. See, like, he can't do it without me. It was really not funny.
No, but then he gave a little kick.
Because he doesn't have confidence in what he says. He's like, so he's annoying. We figured out why you're annoying. Now all you got to do is correct that, and you'll be one of the guys.
Thank you.
Oh, Scott, you're so bad.
No comment.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
When you find out something like that. It's a revelation. Because we always say, why is Scott so annoying?
Why do you hate talking to him?
Yeah, why do you just, like, try to, like, get out of the room when he's talking to you? And that's it.
I'll keep that in mind. Thank you for pointing that out.
See how normal he is when he doesn't do it? He's normal.
I don't know.
Well, he's really trying hard now.
On the radio, he's real bad. He has, like, this voice he puts on for the radio. Well, yes, like a monotone. But in real life, when he's back in the office, I wish I had a tape recorder rolling.
He has a
yesterday.
high-pitched voice.
Yeah, he's like, and he starts talking, and then it's like...
Every other word.
It's like you feel like you're going to snot up on you any minute. All right, thanks.
I really did think there was something wrong with the back of his throat or something.
Yeah, well, he does have a nasal thing. He has some kind of, like, nasal blockage.
Yeah. It's from smoking.
Maybe that's a good sign to quit. You know, maybe that's enough of a reason to quit.
Okay.
You know, even though you're miserable and you don't make enough money.
No.
All right, get out of here. Please leave. You're annoying me. I'm waiting for that sound. And that also, the other reason you're annoying on the radio is because you put on that radio voice that, yeah, well, maybe I should go back and...
What do you want me to sound like, Jackie?
All right, get out of here. There goes Scott. We do a lot for his self-esteem.
What if he stops doing that and you find out he's just as annoying?
He is, though.
Then it really will be bad.
But that is one of his annoying things.